everyone, welcome to Homely Stock Talk. And today we are going to talk about some news in the stock market. Statement: the main purpose of this course is to learn the methods and techniques of share investment. It does not constitute any recommendations or trading tips. Any risk or profit is irrelevant to the company and myself. Trade at your own risk. Okay, the first news is three major US stock indexes individually developed. The new rescue plan made the market look forward to accelerating economic recovery. Okay, but the three major US stock indexes broke their tops in early trading, but the market closed individually. Because we know US stock market is very important and it can give us some reference in direction. So for example, if you find US market, the industrial index is very strong, so it may tell us the economic recovery is a hot concept. On the contrary, if you find the Nasdaq indexes is not that good, maybe it tells us in short term technology stocks may have some correction, so you can analyze according to the news. Okay, and this is Dow Jones, and we can see the trend and the fund. Okay, this chart, upper chart, help us to see trend, and the lower chart help us to see the fund. Okay, first let's see the trend. Red bar is short-term uptrend and green bar is short-term downtrend. So we find since this day, the market is in short-term uptrend all the time. Okay, so if the market is in short-term uptrend, here will be a lot of opportunities in the stock market. And the second, let's see the fund. Okay, if we judge whether this stock is strong enough, we need to judge the fund. Red color is bankers. The more bankers in your stock, the stronger your stock is. And the yellow color is hot money. Later we will talk about hot money. Okay, so let's see an individual share. This is an US stock, it's called DNN. We can find 11 trading days and the profit is more than 100%. Okay, and where is the point that we can focus this share? Okay, where is the point that we know since this day this stock may have a higher probability to rise? It should be this point. Okay, why? First, let's see the trend. We mentioned green bar is short-term downtrend, and this day is green bar, right? And you find the next day, the second day, it becomes red bar, which means it turns short-term uptrend. So green to red is a turning point in the trend. And just now we mentioned after you find a turning point, you need to judge this turning point is strong or weak. Okay, and let's see the fund to judge whether it's strong or not. Green retailers disappear. You see, no green color, and the red bankers increase. So this point is normal strong, right? So trend plus fund, this analysis idea can be used in the world markets, not only our Malaysian market, but US market, Hong Kong market, and so on. Okay, so this is what we call the regularity. Okay, in the world is the truth, so it's regularity. Okay, and the second news is international oil prices continue to be bullish. Okay, cold snap and the stop production stimulate oil prices. Okay, the news is the cold current swept across the southern United States and the crude oil production and refining were greatly affected, and including some war, okay, in the Middle East. So they are all you see in the Middle East, okay, they all stimulate oil prices. But what we need to pay attention is first, okay, they are all changing conditions. Okay, for example, if today you find These oil production countries, they started to increase production. The condition changes. And if you find the weather gets better, okay, the condition changes. And if you find, okay, something happens to geopolitical situation, and the condition changes. Once condition changes, okay, your logic to invest oil price maybe not that confidence. So you need to pay attention, okay, to your logic. And because we know oil prices fluctuate more than individual stocks, okay, which means once oil prices moves upward, maybe your stock will not move upward. So we still need to choose some strong stocks. And I remember last time we share about Supra Energy. Okay, this is a Malaysia stock, and we use the indicator called Homely Rainbow. Okay, Homely Rainbow, it has support and resistance function. Okay, once these lines, okay, they are above the price, so their resistance, every time when price goes up, then goes down, goes up, then goes down, until it break through. Okay, price break through the resistance yesterday, and today you can find it rises, right? And if these lines, they are below, okay, they are lower than the candlestick, then they are support. Okay, you find the price goes down, when meet the lines, they can get support to move upward. Okay, price goes down, then meet support, and then goes upward. Okay, so lower lines, they are support. And another thing we need to pay attention is that green retailers, you see, is disappear. Okay, and the red bankers is increasing. Okay, so that's why recently it will rise. But if you know some good news about super energy in advance, but you find a wrong entry point, for example, if you entry around here, okay, before it break through the resistance and before green retailers disappear, before bankers increase, and then maybe you will not make money. Okay, so news, okay, needs to be combined with growth, then your probability to win will be increased greatly. The third news is about Hong Leong Investment Bank is bullish on glove counters. Okay, they say vaccination drives demand. Glove stocks have midterm support. So this is what they say, and they say, okay, you can buy some glove counters. But okay, first let's see the news. Later, let's see the chart. Okay, as countries around the world continue to implement new phenomena vaccination plans, analysts believe that this will push up global glove demand and support the continued high price of gloves, which is beneficial to glove stocks. Okay, so what we need to know is an investment bank. This is the point of view of Hong Leong Investment Bank. They are institutions, right? So the position of an institution is the same as the position of a retailer. This is the first thing we need to think about. And the second is how should retailers deal with their relationship with institutions? Okay, let's see the chart. Just now we mentioned green color is retailers and the red color is bankers, right? So from fund we can find green retailers. They are they are the majority, right? They are the majority, and the red bankers, they are not that much. So if institutions, they haven't pushed up the price, but retailers always want to buy the bottom, want to buy the lowest point, what will be the consequences of such a method? Do you think it's reasonable? Right? And from the support and the resistance, we find the resistance is here and the support is here, right? So this is what we know from the chart. If you know something about technical analysis, you will know, okay, you will know whether now it has some big chance or not. Okay. And the fourth part is about gaming industry was allowed to fully reopen. Okay, but the gaming stocks is not that hot. Okay, so the Malaysian ticket dealer was allowed to reopen the betting shop on the second special draw day in February. However, a lot of okay, uh, some some gaming shares, okay, they were not significantly motivated. If you see the price, they fall today. So, uh, what we learn from this news is a bullish, a piece of bullish news without fund supporting is unreal. Let's see the chart. Okay, this is a gaming stock, and we see price goes down. And actually, if we see the fund, we find they are all yellow hot money. Yellow hot money, they are short-term speculators, fast in, fast out. This is their operation style. So if your stock is controlled by yellow hot money, it will be in sideways. Actually, it will be more easier for us to follow bankers to make money. Follow hot money is not that easy. Okay, and this is about gaming stocks. So success equals knowledge plus tools plus mindset. And Homely provides software and lifelong training courses. If you want to know more or purchase the software or analyze the stocks for you for free, please add my contact and let me know. We do not recommend stocks and do not provide trading advice. And that's all for today's share. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.